Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Short Hammer. It is the 26th of September 2019, and we are taking a look at GH. Now Guardant Health is one of those tickers that's been kind of all over the place. It ran up pretty high after the IPO, and we see it pull back right around these 63, 61-ish area. But the reason why I find this interesting is that each time it's pulled back into these lower 60s, it seems as if buyers have tried to step in and push it up. We're back in those lower 60s again, and I'm wondering if buyers are going to step in. So I'm not saying let's buy GH here. What I'm saying is keep an eye on this to see if, as we're selling and we're headed to the downside, do buyers step in and halt this fall? And maybe we could put a line also here around this 61.73 to 63.13 area to see if buyers step in, or if we see some pause and consolidation in that area for potential moves to the upside. But I'm definitely keeping an eye on GH just to see what happens over the next few days. If we push down a little bit lower, have my alert set, and if the buyers step in and halt the decline. So this is just something that I have on the radar, alert set, and going to see if we get a price reversal as we push further into the lower 60s. And if we do get a price reversal where I see buyers stepping in, I may be looking for a long position for us to go back into the 70s. So that's what I'm thinking potentially on this. I know the higher 60s looks feasible also, but also the 70s. Because if you look at this drawdown to this area, we pull back to the upper 70s. And from here, we pull back to the 70s again. So we'll see if 3 times is the charm and it repeats this little pattern here again. Just keeping an eye on it and just bringing it to your attention in case you're not watching it. This may be not a bad setup here, and just wondering if the buyers will step in again and push us back up as we approach these levels.